Sriram is there. Porchelvan. It's okay. But Kumaraguru seems he just now woke up. What's it's okay. Okay. For our subject, I would recommend you to use your system, laptop or desktop. It will be effective. Now you can switch off your camera bar. Okay. I would recommend everybody to use your laptop because the problem and all it will be difficult for you to follow in if you use your mobile it will be difficult but it will be the display will be very smaller and you cannot zoom it you can zoom it I think you have to check it first uh, I haven't checked it in my mobile you first check it whether you can zoom it or not because the formulas and the problems and all you have to zoom it and view it in your mobile it will be difficult so I would recommend you to use laptop if you are having okay so this problem let's go back to our problem is my screen sharing is on I have to check okay my screen sharing is on only um, let's go back to our problem if you see in this problem you just have to calculate sigma 1 and sigma 2 for that data book formula is already available maximum principal stress formula is nothing but this is the formula the minimum principal stress and maximum principal stress formula is different only at this point that too plus or minus you have to use plus for maximum and negative sign for minimum if you calculate these two that is enough this is these two values you can calculate easily in the data book in page numbers 7.2 PSG data book 7.2 page number if you see there will be a formula I think most of you will not be having the data book so I will project my data book page number also 7.2 here if you see this is the formula sigma 1 equal sigma 1 comma 2 will be equal to half of normal stresses that is sigma x and sigma y summation of these two plus or minus you can use plus for sigma 1 and minus sign you can use it for sigma 2 root of sigma x difference of these two normal principal stresses then 4 times tau xy square the same formula they have used here you see same formula has been used so this subject according to me it will be very easy if you use your data book I would recommend you to get data book from shop or if possible you can contact your seniors which you are having which you know whom you know already you can contact them and ask for your data book for their data book okay maximum principal says sigma x you can use that formula just you have to use plus sign if you see here all the values are available sigma x value is available sigma y is available you just have to substitute those values and find out the sigma 1 that is principal stress that to maximum principal stress then minimum principal stress for minimum you have to use minus sign negative sign here then it will be lesser only that's why it is called as maximum principal stress and minimum principal stress it will be maximum this will be minimum if you see similarly you have to calculate maximum shear stress you need not calculate minimum shear stress it's not there only maximum shear stress will be considered because minimum shear stress will not be considered for failure conditions it will not cause any failure much so it is avoided okay then let's have you noted this noted down this page this slide shall we go to the next slide
Wait, sir, I think, sir.
okay okay note it down first with this problem we will be winding up this session I think I'll provide this slide as PDF in our Google Classroom soon you can use it for reference purpose Completed? Shall we go to
Yes,
next
sir.
slide? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but I will go to next slide. If you see the maximum shear stress, we have calculated maximum principal stresses, sorry, maximum and minimum principal stresses, both we have calculated in this slide. The next slide, we will be calculating maximum shear stress. That is nothing but the same formula from data book you can use. In data book, the next formula, this is the data book reference page, page number 7.2. Here you will be having this formula. Just you have to apply this formula and calculate maximum shear stress. Sigma x value is 15. Sigma y, that is normal stress in y direction, is 10 Newton per mm square. Similarly, tau xy is 5. If you substitute all those values, you will be able to calculate this formula, sorry, value. In case of angle of maximum principal stress, this formula is derived from another formula, but if you it will be enough if you memorize this. I think this is not available in data book. I will check whether it is available. If it's there, I will mention it. It's not there, I think. This formula is not available. You have to note it down. For maximum principal stress, the value tan 2 theta 1. Theta 1 will be the maximum principal stress angle. This angle is nothing but you will be slicing that. I already explained during this slide. I explained you, right? Theta at any angle, the normal stress will be acting. This will be the point where the maximum stress will be acting. At this point, some theta will be there, angle will be there. That angle we have to calculate where the maximum principal stress sigma 1 will be acting. That angle can be calculated using this formula 2 theta 1 tan 2 theta 1, which is equal to 2 tau xy by sigma x minus sigma y. Theta 1, you finally get this value as 31.71 degrees. From this value, what is inference means? Somewhat at an angle of 31 degrees, the normal stress will be acting on this element. Okay, it may be here or anywhere. At that point, at an angle of 31.71 degrees, normal stress sigma 1, maximum normal stress, that is maximum principal stress, will be acting. Okay. Then similarly, you have to calculate for angle for minimum principal stress acting. That is point sigma 2 will be acting at some point, right? At that point, theta 2 will be considered. At that angle only it will be acting. But you need not calculate it using any formula because it will be always perpendicular to theta 1. So you just have to add an angle of 90 degree. This is the general formula for theta 2. Okay. Noted down, huh?
Yes. Yes, sir.
I think we will ask you to submit the notebook, your notebook as a PDF version. That too, you have to scan your notes and submit it soon. We will ask for that scanned copy in our Google
Sir,
Classroom.
1 minute, sir.
Okay. You will okay. You are having any doubt?
இல்ல சார் யாரோ வந்து லெஃப்ட்
என்னப்பா
பண்ணி விடுறாங்க சார், ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா வெளிய போகுது. அதே மாதிரி நிறைய பேர் வெளிய போயிட்டே இருக்காங்க. ஆக்சுவலி நான் லெஃப்ட் ஆகல சார், தானா லெஃப்ட் ஆகுது.
லெஃப்ட் ஆகுதா?
ஆமா சார், இதோட 4வது வாட்டி லெஃப்ட் ஆகுது. somebody misusing maybe.
First யார் ஜாயின் பண்ணாங்கன்னு தெரியல. I think they will be having some access for which there is, I think you யாராலையும் ஒன்று இது பண்ண முடியாதுப்பா. குரூப் இதை விட்டு விட்டு வெளில அனுப்ப முடியாது. அதுக்கான ஆக்சஸ் கொடுக்கலன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் யாருக்கும். ஜஸ்ட் ஜாயினிங்க்கு மட்டும் வேணா அக்செப்ட் கொடுக்க வேண்டியிருக்கும். அது கூட நம்ம கூகுள் கிளாஸ் ரூமுக்கு அந்த ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்ஷன் கிடையாது. லிங்க் இருந்தா யார் வேணாலும் ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
சார் ஆக்சுவலி
பேக் பட்டன் பண்ணா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா வெளியே போய்டும் சார்.
என்னதுப்பா?
பேக் பட்டன் பிரஸ் பண்ணா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா வெளியே போயிடும் சார் மீட்டிங்ல இருந்து.
நான் லேப் யூஸ் பண்றேன்.
லேப்லயா? some issues are there pa. We will rectify it soon pa. We are already checking for few issues. This will be your Google Classroom code actually. Sorry, Google Meet code. This code you can use it and join it also. But for few students it's not accepting. These are all few issues that we are facing. We will soon rectify it pa. We are discussing with our system admin.
சார் ஆக்சுவலி எனக்கே அந்த பிளாக் ஆப்ஷன் காட்டுது சார். யாருனாச்சும் எக்ஸிட் பண்ணனும்னா ரிமூவ் பண்ணனும்னா நானே பண்ணலாம்னு சொல்லி காட்டுது சார்.
காட்டுதா? அப்ப
ஆமா சார், ரிமூவ் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
அதான் புரியுது. பிளாக்னா
இல்ல சார், ரிமூவ் ஃப்ரம் மீட்டிங் சொல்லிட்டு அந்த
you can remove this participant எனக்கு வருது. அதான் some access கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. You can remove ன்னு இருக்கு அவனுக்கு. You can't remove.
You can't remove.
can't removeனா நம்மளால ரிமூவ் பண்ண முடியாதுன்னு அர்த்தம். ஒன்னால யாரையும் ரிமூவ் பண்ண முடியாது.
இல்ல சார், நான் ரிமூவ் பண்ண முடியும்னு காட்டுது. ரிமூவ்
கேனா? சரி, ஓகே, புரியுது எனக்கு. some administration issues is there. உங்களுக்கு admin access ஏதோ மிஸ்டேக்கா இருக்கு சார். எங்கப்பா?
அப்படி ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் லாக்ல இருக்கு சார். அப்படி ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் அக்சஸ் பண்ண முடியலன்னு வருது.
எங்களுக்கு ஆக்சஸ் இல்ல. ஒரு சிலருக்கு ஆக்சஸ் இருக்கு. அது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்தவங்களுக்கு ஆக்சஸ் இருக்கு போல இருக்கு. We will rectify it soon. We are collecting those feedbacks. We will rectify it soon. We are discussing with our system admin regarding those things. Even பார்த்தனா Google Meet கோட் தான். இந்த கோட் யூஸ் பண்ணா யார் வேணாலும் ஜாயின் பண்ணலாம். எக்ஸப்ட் அதர் தென் அவர் காலேஜ், அதாவது காலேஜ் மெயில் ஐடி இல்லாம யாராவது இருந்தாங்கன்னா அவங்களால ஜாயின் பண்ண முடியாது. அதுதான் இந்த இதுக்கான ஒரே ஒரு டிராபேக் நமக்கு. அதுக்கான ஆக்சஸையும் நான் கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கோம். We will soon rectify it. ஓகேவா? ஃபியூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த கோடை வச்சு ஜாயின் பண்ண முடியல. ஈவன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா காலேஜ் மெயில் ஐடி யூஸ் பண்ணாலும் மொபைல்ல இருந்து ஜாயின் பண்ண முடியல. அதுக்கான ரீசன் என்னன்னு தெரியல. நானும் செக் பண்ணும்போது எனக்கு மொபைல்ல அந்த ஆக்சஸ் வரல, ஜாயின் பண்ண முடியல. பட் லேப்டாப்ல ஜாயின் பண்ண முடியுது. We will soon rectify it. We are trying our best. We will soon rectify it. Okay va? Okay, with this problem I think we can conclude this session. Have you noted down this problem? If you haven't, you can note it down.
Yes sir, come.
Note it down, sir. Okay. I will give you a simple hint. At least if you are not noting it down, if you are missing it, you can take screenshot or you can capture or record the video in your mobile or system. You can use screen recorder also. I will provide you screen recorded recording videos if possible, but still it's we are facing some difficulties in recording. We will soon rectify those solutions, those issues. Okay, but I think we can wind up this session. Is there any doubt regarding the topic which we discussed today? Because this topic is very much important. It is very much required and recommended for GATE exam also.
No sir.
Okay. Even if you are having doubt, if the current pandemic situation is over, we can discuss it in class also soon. I wish to see you also. Okay. Thank you sir. Thank you for the session.
Thank you.
Thank you sir.
Okay.
Thank you sir.